Have you ever wanted to share an article with someone while pointing to a specific part of it? Usually, you end up sending the entire link and then saying something like, read the third paragraph, or you copy and paste the section into a message. Safari has a built-in feature that makes this so much easier, and surprisingly, a lot of people don't know it exists. Let me show you. Let's say you are reading an article and you come across a paragraph that perfectly explains the point you are trying to make. Instead of sending the whole article and hoping the other person finds it, simply select the text you want to share and highlight it. Now, right-click on the selected text and choose Copy Link with Highlight option. And that's it. Now, when you send the link, whoever opens it will be taken directly to that part of the page with the selected text already highlighted. It's a small feature, but it's incredibly useful. What's even better is that it works across browsers, so whether they are using Chrome, Firefox or any other browser, the highlighted section will still open. One little detail I also love is what happens when you paste the link into apps like Messages or Mail. Instead of just showing a plain URL, it includes the excerpt you highlighted so the person immediately gets a preview of exactly what you wanted them to read. It's one of those tiny Safari features that doesn't get much attention, but once you start using it, it's hard to go back to sharing links the old way. So the next time you're sending an article to prove a point, share a quote, or simply direct someone's attention to a specific section, give copy link with highlight a try. And that's about does it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.